story goes, they landed first. It was a single helicopter LZ. They landed first. They took on fuel. However, whoever put fuel to drop the bladders that day, it was water. They put on 700 pounds of water. They took off. The engine flamed out.
No.
They went down the side of the mountain. Auto-rotated down the side of the mountain, planted it, and flattened the skids.
Auto-rotated and everybody was okay?
Everyone was okay.
Oh, God bless.
All they did was flatten the skids, and then of course after that they brought it back and it went through maintenance, and then it got sent to the 170.
They sent a Chinook out to pick it up?
They may have. I don't know.
That's what they used to pick us up with when we got shut down.
Right? The youngsters, what we're hoping to accomplish is, one, a recognition of what these helicopters did in Vietnam and the service that they performed, and also try to maybe spark a little interest in aviation. We've done a lot of these, and we have had that opportunity to spark that interest. So it's the education of what the helicopter did in Vietnam, the legacy of the guys that flew these things, and then obviously for the gentlemen that were in Vietnam, it's a welcome home, and it's a thank you for your service, and we're preserving that honor and that legacy through this organization.
Well, we were in a helicopter. We supported the 196th Light Infantry Brigade out at Chu Lai, and we also supported the South Vietnamese Army. And I can remember many times carrying them into battle, and sometimes we get called for medevacs, but other than that, we flew every day, except during the monsoon we might have sat down, but yeah, we flew every day. And I was just around the helicopter the whole time I was in, so that's all I know.
He was the aircraft commander of this aircraft in Vietnam. That's beautiful. So he painted the nose of all his aircraft in Vietnam, and then he came back and painted the nose on this one again.
It's great. I never thought I'd get back in one when I left Vietnam. Well, when I left the Army. But it's just great being back in Rotary Wing.
Like that, this has been through a war, and this is what they took their wounded soldiers in. I don't know, maybe they went through a lot of stormy weather during wars and they got shot. Could have went through, hit them, never know.
It's just part of my past, and I enjoy the fact that I had an opportunity to fly in these things. It's what makes me jealous of guys like Darren, who gets to fly them all the time.
We are located at the Lancaster Airport. We're in Hangar Suite T, and we're at the airport every Saturday, unless we're out flying doing something. But we're there every Saturday, and our door is always open. So veterans, the public, they can always come in, say hello. You will be welcomed if you come out to the hangar to talk to us.
It's just a lot of fun. It's better than any roller coaster ride.